Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine at your home. Now here we will do some practice sums based on power and exponent to find the value of m. Question is find the value of m if 3 raised to m is equal to 1. 3 raised to m equal to 1. So how can we find the value of this m when the value of m which is unknown is in exponent? So this can be solved by like this. Here 3 raised to m equal to 1. We know that 3 raised to 0 is 1. We can replace 1 with 3 raised to 0. So now after replacing this 1 with 3 raised to 0, we can say these two powers are equal. Two powers are equal means their base equal, so their exponents are also equal. So we can say that value of m is 0. So 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 0, it's 1. Is the solution. Now second, 4 raised to m equal to 16. So again, to find the value of unknown, that is value of variable which is given in exponent, we have to compare these both the powers. So for the comparison, the base of power must be equal. So this 16 can be converted into base with 4, that is 4 square. So now these two powers are equal, their base are equal, and therefore we can say their exponents must be equal. Therefore if m equal to 2 is there, so 4 square equal to 16 will be answer. Third one, 2 raised to 4 multiply by 3 square equal to 12 raised to m. Now here this is equal to what we can write, say this one is 2 square raised to 2 into 3 square, that is equal to 12 raised to m. So 2 square is nothing but the 4 square, 4 square into 3 square equal to 12 raised to m. So here you can apply the property, power of these two multiplication equal, so we can write like this, 4 multiplied by 3 whole square equal to 12 raised to m. So it's the power of multiplication, so reverse property. So this is equal to, here you have to write therefore this one is 12 square equal to 12 raised to m. Again these two powers are equal, base equal, so their exponent must be equal. So m equal to 2, m equal to 2. 4, question number 4, 6 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m. So now these two powers are equal, so we can write 6 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m. So this one is 6 by 3 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m. 3 2s are 6, so it's a 2 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m, and therefore we can write m equal to 4. M equal to 4. Clear? Simple. Question number 5. Here it's a 12 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 6 equal to 4 raised to m. So again 12 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 6 equal to 4 raised to m. So here power of this both power numbers are equal, exponent are equal. So here we can write this power as a common, which is 12 by 3 raised to 6 equal to 4 raised to m. This one is 3 4s are 12, and therefore we are getting 4 raised to 6 equal to 4 raised to m. So these two powers are equal, with base equal, so their exponent must be equal. So answer is m equal to 6. Question number 6. It's a 2 raised to m multiply by 3 raised to m multiply by 5 raised to m equal to 1. So here we can take this m as a common. So this is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. We can write this power m with this multiplication equal to 1. And therefore 5 3 जा 15 2 जा 30 raised to m equal to, this one is 30 raised to 0. So answer is m equal to 0, है ना. पावर ऑफ 0, एनी नंबर हुज पावर इज 0, आंसर इज 1. तो ये कोई भी नंबर ले लो, m हमारा पावर 0 ही होना चाहिए. 7th 2 cube whole raised to 2 equal to 2 raised to m. So this one is power of power, 2 raised to 6 equal to 2 raised to m. So therefore answer m equal to 6. M equal to 6 is the answer. Now question number 8. 9 cube raised to 2 equal to 3 raised to m is there. We have to make the power with the same base. So 9 is, here base is 9, here base is 3. So first step is to convert this 9 into 3, or first take this multiplication of multiplication power, and power of power. So 9 3 जा 9 raised to 3 2 जा 6 equal to 3 raised to m. Now to make this base equal, write this 9 as a 3 square raised to 6 equal to 3 raised to m. Therefore this one is 3 raised to 6 2 जा 12 equal to 3 raised to m. Therefore we are getting m equal to 12. M equal to 12 is the answer. 9th 18 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m into 3 raised to 8. So now first we have to write this 18 in terms of 2 and 3. So 9 2s are and 3 3s are 9. So 18 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m into 3 raised to 8. So this one is 3 square and whose power is 4, multiply this one is 2 raised to 4 and this is equal to 2 raised to m into 3 raised to 8. Again power of power, 4 2s are 8. So it's a 3 raised to 8 into 2 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to m into 3 raised to 8. 3 raised to 8, 3 raised to 8 cut. So here we are getting 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to m. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to m. So powers are equal, which their exponents are equal. So m equal to 4 is the answer. Done? So now last question, question number 10. What we can say? X raised to m equal to 1. What is the value of m? So x raised to m, any number whose power is 0 is 1. We require base as a x. So x raised to m equal to x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1. So now we can compare this m with 0 is the answer. Done? So this is how you can solve the equations which consist of exponents. Done? Pause the video and note it down.